Moving on, the doctors' strike entered its 5th day on Monday after a meeting between union officials and the Ministry of Health bore little results. The doctors resolved to continue with their industrial action until their conditions are met. Husna Mohammed with the story.
Solidarity forever.
The medical doctors insist on continuing with the strike despite meeting with the Ministry of Health officials to try to reach a compromise on the ongoing nationwide strike. Both parties, the Doctors' Union and the Ministry of Health, had a different reaction after the meeting.
This morning, we have had a very fruitful and successful discussion with the Kenya Medical Practitioners Union.
I want to confirm that the strike is on, and it will get a little bit tedious repeating the same thing because we are in this for a very long time. We intend this to be the last strike of a decade.
Some of the doctors' demand include promotions, employment of more doctors including medical interns, medical insurance and paid for higher education.
As a ministry, we also discussed with the union on the progress on matters that are solely lie within the Ministry of Health. Because from the matters that they raised, there are those that should be handled by the Ministry of Health, and there are those others that we agreed they move on. We have now received a confirmation from Treasury, and beginning 1st of April, we are going to begin posting of all the interns.
Doctors through their union KMPDU say, despite all promises given by the Health Cabinet Secretary Susan Nakhumicha, they will continue to down their tools until the government honors its pledges.
We want outcome of letters posting the interns as per the collective bargaining agreement that was signed in 2017. We want outcomes that the doctors are struggling with postgraduates, that they can do the exams. We want outcomes that doctors are going to be employed in the country to actually run the UHC. So it's not a strike for promises, it's a strike for real outcomes.
The Doctors' Union has called on major public hospitals to stop providing health services so that the strike is impactful, in order to pressure the government to take necessary action.
We want to call upon the doctors that are working in Kenyatta National Hospital that are offering minimum services, and those that are working at MTRH on the minimum services, to have this matter a bit escalated so that we can have a quicker resolutions to it.
Monday marked day 5 of the doctors' nationwide strike as patients seeking services across the country continue to bear the brunt of the strike. Husna Mohammed, KTN News, Nairobi.
Shift in focus, President William Ruto has put government